Hi.
Hello, it's Dr. Lee and Dr. Gervais. We're just demonstrating the pro-lordotic neck exercises. So go ahead.
Why don't you describe a little bit, Doc, while I'm doing it here?
So when we do the adjustment, we are unlocking the joints. We use specific instruments to create motion in the joints. So one of the things that we always want to do is give you things to do at home. So one of the great things that you can do is what we call pro-lordotic neck exercises. So after we adjust you, we'll take some of the pressure off the nerves, increase the motion of the joint, increase your range of motion. The pro-lordotic exercises allow you to maintain your correction and also hydrate your discs, because the disc gets its nutrition through movement.
So one of the things I was showing you on the video is that first typically you start out down lower and have your arms push this way, and then you do a number of reps, anywhere from maybe 4 to 10 repetitions. Then you move it up to the middle of your neck, and now your arms are pushing straight out across like this. Same sort of idea, 4 to 10 repetitions. Then right up underneath the back of the skull, and now your hands are up at 45 degrees. And we're doing the same sort of thing. If you have the time, it's always wise to also start going back to the sides in all 3 positions, just like this. And then of course what we do to the right side, we're going to want to do to the left side as well. Back like this. So essentially, the exercise really shouldn't take you more than a couple minutes a day. Is there anything else?
No.
Okay, that's it.